Hello, sir. Good morning. My name is Sandip Lama. Waiba. I am 34 years old. I am from Nepal. My hometown is Hetauda Makwanpur, Nepal. In my family, there are 8 members. There are two sisters, one brother, dad, mom, and my grandfather, my, my wife, and me. Mm, my education qualification is a 10 class pass. Currently, I am working in Gokarna, Kathmandu, Nepal, as a bulldozer operator. I have a working experience is 12 years working as a bulldozer operator, 4 years in Malaysia, 4 years in Qatar, and 4 years in Nepal. Now I would like to show my performance. Let's see. Okay.